Hey guys, do you have a small bathroom or maybe a lot of people using one area? Today I want to share with you my favorite Dollar Tree items you can find right now to keep your bathroom organized. Over the past 8 years on YouTube, I've organized so many bathrooms both on camera and off. And even if I haven't seen your space, these are 3 common problems, and I bet you've noticed these too if your bathroom is disorganized. And the first is you forget to acknowledge your effort. I bet even if your space isn't super organized, you've been trying. You probably have some bins in there, maybe a system or two you've tried that failed. By maximizing real estate, you can work to fix that. And the second thing I see is far too much stuff. So I always recommend going through, taking out the things you use all the time and separating them from the things that you don't. And I don't know why this is, but in almost every home I visit, people hold on to way too many cleaning products. Donate those items, get rid of what you're not using. Girl, you're never going to use them if you're not using them now. And the third thing is to rehome those things that somehow get in places they shouldn't be. It happens in every household. And when you take the time to do it, it's always worth it. Get that space back. Fully clear your space and establish your keep pile, and now we can get started organizing. It inspires me to have a couple of new things in a space, and right now the Dollar Tree has these beautiful soap dispensers, bar of soap holders. I think these are absolutely stunning for just $1, totally like items you'd find at Hobby Lobby. And the little dish for my ring is another Dollar Tree find. When it comes to organizing, get some poster tack. You'll definitely want this, and start in the drawers with these white containers. Put a few dabs on the bottom, and that way nothing is gonna slip around. Save your drawers for prime real estate. We're putting just our toothbrushes in the drawer. This is what we're accessing every day, and it actually keeps it organized. It might seem like a waste of space, but in the places that you access the most, you need them to be as simple as possible. This is all the makeup that I'm accessing on a daily basis. I love these acrylic bins for just $1. And a couple of hacks you can use are taking these little card organizers. I usually find these during the summertime. They have them right now. They're perfect for bobby pins and hair ties. And the glasses cases, you can find these right at the front of the Dollar Tree, are perfect for lipsticks. You can stick them in a drawer, and they're also great for on the go. In a small area, it's never wasted space when you can actually get to items, and they will stay organized no matter what. Now for the items you don't need every day, but it's the stuff you really use. I love these $1 shoeboxes. Listen for the click of the lid, and then you know it's really tightly on there. The old ones had a little bit of trouble closing, but these new gray ones in store are awesome. I also love these stacking bins, and here's where I'm keeping those overflow products so they don't interfere with organization. And I'm gonna link down below the best place to buy your chalk pens and chalk labels. I actually advise not getting these from the Dollar Tree because they last longer. I love using these bins as mini caddies. You can stick them underneath of the cabinet. They stack right up to maximize all of your vertical space. That's really key when working in tiny areas. These products are excellent for working around piping underneath of your sink. Next, right now the Dollar Tree has these die-cut bins, which are perfect for overflow makeup. Again, these stack up, and I'm using them as a caddy, so I can take all of those items out, see everything that I have, but it's super easy to keep hidden. Did you know that the Dollar Tree has a new type of container? It's this one. Now this is only something a Dollar Tree fanatic like me would know, but it used to have a different design on the side. Now the holes are more oval. It's perfect for all your cleaning products as well as overflow bath products. I like how these baskets are a little bit bendable, so they fit perfectly in a small space. When you don't have a lot of room to work with, maximize your door space. I'm using command hooks and an old over-the-door shoe organizer. I cut it down and attached it to the inside of the cabinet. And this is the perfect place to store brushes and those items I'm grabbing for all the time. Hairdryer, curling iron, and hairspray are easy to access from a large bin. Aren't you loving the gray color? These little trash cans are perfect for toilet paper to keep outside the cabinet. If you enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below about what you'd like to see me organize next. I read each and every one of them. I'm grateful for you. Become a subscriber if you're not already. Join the community. This place is super awesome and I'm so glad you're a part of it. I'll catch you soon. Bye! Owen bit this lipstick. Oops. Did you eat my lipstick?
No.
Are you sure?